Juicing is the unhealthiest way to consume fruits and vegetables. If you don't know what you're doing, I've heard people say this numerous times. Actually, a lot of people think that juicing is only for weight loss or detoxing, but that's really not the case. Not only juicing is a delicious drink, it has numerous benefits for your body, if done properly. So, if you're just starting out on your juicing journey, you're in luck. In this video, we talk about the top 7 juicing tips for beginners that your nutritionist doesn't tell you. Number 1. Buy a high-quality juicer. An obvious one, yes, but so many people neglect this one and try to save a few bucks at this stage. Buying a cheaper model will make your life harder down the road. Many juicers are hard to clean, while others don't extract much juice from the fruits and vegetables, which only means money wasted. This is a long-term investment, and you're investing in your health. Therefore, I always recommend doing your research and buying a high-quality juicer. Cold-pressed juicers are the best ones because less oxidation occurs. Always check the reviews online before making a purchase. Number 2. Follow the 80-20 rule. According to this rule, choosing and combining ingredients for a juice should preferably be done in the proportions of 80% vegetables or low-sugar fruit and 20% fruit or high-sugar content vegetables. Fruit should not be juiced on its own because it contains far too much sugar. As your blood sugar levels rise, juicing fruit can give you a very quick high, but this puts a lot of stress on your hormonal system. What begins as an energy boost will quickly become an energy crash. Juicing solely fruits will cause you to gain weight quickly, since your body stores more sugar in your liver and fat cells. Juicing fruit is particularly dangerous if you have diabetes or have issues with your insulin levels. Number 3. Balance high-yield ingredients with high-potency ingredients. A little bit of ginger or mint goes a long way, but apples, celery, and cucumbers are juicing tsunamis. Once you've juiced an item once, you'll know exactly how it behaves in the juicer, so be careful of that. Try to strike a balance between flexible, mild components and more potent ones. If you do screw it up and add too much of the potent ingredient, ginger or mint, you can always fix it by adding more carrots or apples, or just add a bit more water. Number 4. Don't juice raw cruciferous vegetables. Steer clear of juicing a lot of raw cruciferous vegetables like kale, broccoli, and cabbage. Large quantities can exacerbate thyroid issues that already exist. These veggies can affect blood sugar regulation and metabolism when consumed in significant amounts. It might make pre-existing blood clotting problems worse or diminish the effects of some medicines. Drinking juice that contains a high amount of kale, cabbage, or broccoli could result in bloating, constipation, or stomach pain. Number 5. When to peel and when you shouldn't. You can safely leave the skin on the produce you juice, in most cases. Even pineapple skin may pass through most excellent juicers without issue. However, if you're juicing fruits and veggies with the skin on, be careful to use only organic ingredients. Even if there are many people who don't believe in organic food, with juicing, you should make an exception. Organic foods are free of the chemicals that are added to the juice you consume. Juice drinks that are toxic can deplete your body of more nutrients than you can replenish. Additionally, vegetables cultivated in healthy organic soil contain more nutrients. Here are a few instances where you should peel. Kiwis. Wax-coated produce, such as those gleaming apples. Citrus fruits, if you prefer the juice's pure flavor without the bitter pith and skin oils. You can juice the entire fruit, but the flavor is changed. Any other ingredient where you're unsure whether the skin will alter the flavor. You might want to do a taste test with melons, even though it's okay to juice the skins, for example. Number 6. Start soft, finish hard. After switching on the juicer, start by juicing the softest fruits and vegetables, like citrus and cucumbers. Then turn up the speed, if the machine has this function, and work your way through to the hardest fruits and vegetables, like beets and carrots. This way you make sure that you get the most juice out of those soft vegetables first, before switching over to the harder ingredients. Doing it the other way around, you risk leaving half the juice in the pulp, so you end up with less juice. Number 7. Drink the juice immediately after juicing. To be able to absorb the most nutrients, your fresh juice must be consumed as soon as it's squeezed. Freshly squeezed juice oxidizes as soon as it's exposed to air. Oxidation is the process in which air combines with the juice in the presence of heat, causing the juice to lose nutrients and be less nutritious. As time wears on, the juice loses its properties due to oxidation, so drink it as soon as it's juiced. Number 8. Bonus tip: always add healthy fat to your juices. Your body can absorb fat-soluble vitamins A, D, E, and K, thanks to healthy fat. When you juice, you take out the fiber. Additionally, neither fat nor protein will be present in that juice. Only fat enables your body to absorb the juice's fat-soluble vitamins A, D, E, and K. A simple way to make sure your juice contains some healthy fat is to add avocado or coconut into the mix. Or you can add some cashew butter or almond butter in there. If this doesn't work for you, don't be afraid to enjoy your fats on the side. Green apple and celery juice and avocado toast make a great combination. Do you know any other awesome juicing tips for beginners? Share your favorite tip or juicing trick with us in the comments section below. And if you've enjoyed the video, consider subscribing to the channel. We frequently upload interesting and helpful videos on how you can stay healthy and fit the natural way. Make sure you check out this next video, where you'll find out how to properly store your freshly squeezed juice to keep it fresh for longer. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.